Hi guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Dave Partner, and today I'm going to be showing you through a beautiful and interesting and easily usable template. It is built with HTML and CSS, and of course some little JavaScript, which means if you're planning to build any template that has anything at all to do with medicals, this is a very good template to pick and run. It is free, which means if you check the description section of this video, I'm going to give you the link to download this template for free. All right, so now the next thing you have to watch out for is, if this is the first time you are watching any of my videos on YouTube, welcome to my channel. So what you should do is to click the red subscribe button below this place. I'm moving my mouse. There is a red button below this place. It is written subscribe. Click on it once so that anytime I make a new video, you will be the first to get a notification. All right, so now you've clicked on that red subscribe button. Now let's quickly scan through this template. Then I'll show you the HTML, the CSS files, the image, and the videos that make up this page. And of course, I might just put you through how to use it in case you don't know how to use it yet. So it's a very easy to use template that starts out pretty easily, as you can see. Let me refresh it so you see the little animation that happens here. You see, there's a little animation, the picture gradually shows up, and these stuff gradually show up. There are different kinds of home pages, just with little little differences. So this is the CTA homepage. Look at its index CTA. Let's check index form, where there is a form on the index, you see. So if you wanted to have a sign up or login directly on the front page, you can have it, such as if you're doing an ICO website where you need people to sign up or whatever on the landing page like this. This is a good way to build that. Now another one is if you needed to show a video on the landing page. So I've clicked on the video. It takes me somewhere else. Okay, right click, home video. So you'll see that there is this list here, and of course then this time around we have a video. All right, so the next thing you'll see is this. I think I should be showing you the code right away so you can see the code that makes up these different segments. All right, so let's go and check out the codes. So I've opened it. Let me show you the folder first of all directly. So if the folder is opened, you will see that it has several folders. It has the assets folder that has all the tiny little images that you will need, for instance the loading icon and so on. So you shouldn't touch anything on this folder. And then it has another folder, body BG. You shouldn't touch anything. This is just the backgrounds that are needed for the body. Then for the color, different colors, you shouldn't touch nothing. So but then you come to the CSS, you start seeing some familiar files. For instance, this platform runs, this was built with bootstrap, Twitter bootstrap. You see it here. There is this one for the animation. This is the CSS that handles the animation. You see Nivo Lightbox theme, and then you see the carousel, and then the custom CSS file. You see, this is the custom CSS file that comes with it. So you can edit this CSS file, or you build yours, you create yours. All right. So now the next thing you are seeing is the doctors folder. Has different HTML for the different list of doctors. We're gonna see it shortly. And then we have the fonts. All right, so these are just everything you need to run it. But if you wanted to start it after download, this is the file you're going to click. This is the index file that will now open the browser and display this website. Then you can click around, which is where we are. So now we have to open this index in our editor so we can see what's happening inside. So I've opened this folder. As you can see, it is Medicio. Then you go straight to the index.html file. So once you open it, you start seeing a lot of things, beautiful stuff inside there. So you see that first of all, they imported all the CSS files they needed. Those files I showed you inside the CSS folder. As you can see, this is the CSS folder. So if you wanted to add yours, you can add yours underneath this place. All right, so if we go down, we'll see this right up here, which is the right up at the top. If you open it here, you see this is Monday, Saturday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. in your own case, you can super easily see it here. All right. So the next one we're gonna see is the menu. You see home, service, doctors, facilities, and that menu has a drop down. One of the menu is a drop down, and that is extra or more. So let us see what it is. You have home, service, doctors, facilities, but then you have more with extra. You see, if you click on it, you see the drop down. That is the code we're seeing right here. All right, so the next thing we will see is the Medicio group. All right, so we have all the affordable monthly. This is the list. Okay, is a list affordable monthly premium packages. If we come here, we're gonna see it affordable monthly premium packages. So that's how beautiful everything here is, and it's easy to edit. So as you're changing it, it's appearing. This is make an appointment. It's free. So if we come here, we can see make an appointment. It is free. As you can see, this is a list, all right, with different icons and then different write-ups. So if we go here, we're gonna see it in our code. Okay, let's make an appointment. It's free. I think what I would do is to make sure we're on the same page, because this is index.html, and what I'm seeing right here is index video. So I'm gonna click here to come to home form. Are we on index? So this is index.html. So that's what we're looking at. Make an appointment. It's free. This is the first name, last name. This is the form. So if we come here, and you will see this form here: first name, last name, see email, phone number, and the footer. All right. So the next thing we're saying is the make an appointment. It's free. It's a list. You will know it's a list because it has an li. You see, there's an li there. So they use the div to do that. So there are how many of it? 5 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one is get diagnostic report. If we come here, we're gonna see it. That the last one is get diagnostic report. You see these guys. So the next one is in need of help, book an appointment. So if we go back right there, we're gonna see it in need of in an emergency, need help, book an appointment. You see, there's the button. So it's left for you to make this button work by adding a proper link and then changing whatever you have here. So customizing it is super duper easy. So as you're scrolling down, you keep seeing the code that make up this. If you want, you can change this picture or not. Everything here is free. So these are tabs. If we click on it, we'll see different pictures of different people. So if you are building an ICO website or any kind of website, you can use this to list the team members. You see, just change these things and you'll see yourself listing the team members. All right. So if you click on the profile of one team member, it's going to try to pull up a page that generates the profile. If you click this, it's going to display the next person's profile and that and that. All right. So the profile is inbuilt into this project. It's really, really cute. Okay, so I'm just going to hit enter to go back. All right, so the next one we'll see is our facilities. You see they have a lot of pictures. So I think it's now left to you. It's left to you to change these pictures and change whatever is written here. And then if you keep going down, you see something like testimonies, right? So these are what the customers are saying. There's a little arrow here that will pull you to the left, help you slide the screen to see what other people are saying. So this is where you can put testimonials on your site. All right. So this is the pricing page. As you can see, the design makes it show. Look at how the pricing page pulls up. Nice design on hover design. So you can use it to customize it and create a pricing package, even with these tiny little arrows. All right. So of course, you can access some of these page segments from here. For instance, if we clicked on doctors, it shows us doctors. If we click on facilities, it shows us facilities. Then pricing shows us pricing. Then after pricing, we have the partners. So here you can list all your partners, and then we will have a very interesting and beautiful footer with Facebook share options. So this share option already works. So yours should work straight out of the box. And that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. I hope it looks very easy for you to customize. Download it, and within minutes you are done with your medical template. All right, so I'm gonna put the link, the download link to this medical template in the description section so that you can get it. You download it easily. Remember that if this is the first time you are watching any of my videos, click the red subscribe button below. There's a red button below this place. I'm moving my mouse. It is written subscribe. Click on it once so that anytime I make a new video, you will be the first to get a notification. All right, click on the red subscribe button below. Then let me know what you think about this thing. All right, thank you very much. See you guys.